During this class and the next classes of this section, we are going to configure and install very useful packages for Sublime that are going to allow us to work very easy and fast with PHP projects. So, in order to be able to install packages in Sublime Text 3, we need to install the package control on this. So we just need to go to our browser and search for Sublime package control. In the installation section, we just need to copy this code, being sure that we are using the Sublime Text 3 version. So just copy here, go and open Sublime, and then go to View, Show Console, and paste the code there. Press Enter, and it is going to install the package control in Sublime. To be sure that it is working, just close it, open it again, and if you press Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P depending on your operating system, you will try to see if you have something called package control to install packages in your Sublime. So in this case, if we press Enter, we can see the list of all the available packages that we can install in Sublime. We are ready now. Let's see in the next classes how to use Sublime for some stuff and install a very cool packages on it.